how to fix web page not available error in Android mobile. So if you're facing a problem with the web page not available error in your Android mobile, then let's fix it. So what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings, and you can go with your Wi-Fi or your mobile network. Like if you're using your Wi-Fi, you need to just go and turn on your airplane mode, or if you're using your mobile network, then first you need to go and turn on your airplane mode and then wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed, or you can just simply go and check your internet connection. Because of the unstable internet connection, you might find this kind of problem. And once you've done that, you need to scroll down and go with apps. Under apps, go with manage apps. And like for example, if you're using Google or your browser or anything where your web page is not available, then you just need simply go with that application. Like for example, in my case, I'll go with Chrome. And once you search for it, you need to tap on it and then go with clear data, which is on the bottom right. And from here, you need to tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you cleared your cache, now you need to go back and you need to open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Chrome. After searching, if you have any updates on your Chrome, you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, you need to restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.